Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision.
Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle.
Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Ringo got the vision.
Ringo
When you're cooking
Vision.
with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle.
Ringo Vision.
When you're cooking.
Yes, we are here on the 24-hour kitchen cooking show. I mean, Wagwan people, you don't know Wagwan. We're there, fully live, active. And guess Wagwan at the kitchen today, people, yeah? We have fish, a fry, and we have food, a cook. When me say food, me I talk about Jamaican hard food. Green banana, yellow yam, and white yam. Alright, pumpkin and I mix, you know. Yes, man. Boy, people, look. Yeah, man, I'm gonna be frying some red snapper. That is it. Get inside. Yeah, man. Red snapper people on the menu. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're there once again inside of the kitchen. So look, as I said, green banana, white yam, yellow yam, okra, pumpkin, scallion, ginger, tomato, red onion, and green pepper, people, yeah? Red snapper. We are here in the 24-hour kitchen, people, yeah? Big up yourself. Good vibes. In today's program, everybody, I got some update for you guys. We're going into a new season. You haven't seen a lot of uploads on the channel because I have been creating something special for you guys for 2024. Yeah, man, big up yourself. You don't know where I'm going, but at the same time, I'm dealing with some food today to give you guys the full announcement and the good news, people, yeah? Yeah, man, it's our good vibes today, people. We're going into a new kitchen, everybody, yeah? And we've got a space where we're going to be inviting people, inviting guests onto the program. Hoy! It's time for everyone that wants to try 24-hour kitchen food. Almost 3 years now on YouTube, everybody. And you guys haven't tasted the food yet. So I'll be making a big announcement and giving you guys a location and an opportunity to come in and come and eat and cook with Ringo Vision, people. Yeah, big up yourself, you don't know what I want. Good vibes. Green banana in the pot boiling in the skin. White yam, yellow yam. Good vibes. Top. Alright, so our good vibes right now. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna make our fish just fry up for about 7 to 10 minutes on each side, cause I like when my fish is nice and crispy, everybody, yeah? You can fry the fish to your liking. Some people like it not so crispy, but I really like my snapper. My snapper nice and crispy, everybody. So this one's gonna be a nice, fresh, crispy snapper, people, yeah? We'll give it about a fry on about 7 minutes on each side, people, yeah? Yeah, man, about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes we're gonna be frying our fish for today. So our good vibes, the green banana and the white yam and the yellow yam is almost at completion. So, yes, everybody, it's time to announce that we're gonna be going into a new space, a new kitchen, and it's gonna be an opportunity to invite each and every one of you to come in and come and cook with me live inside of the kitchen, everybody, yeah? So our good vibes. I really do apologize if you haven't seen as much regular uploads as usual, but just bear with me. We're in the making. Something amazing is coming out on 24-hour kitchen. We're on an amazing journey. So for 2024, we're gonna break down the whole cooking into different sections, everybody. So the first section of cooking that we're gonna be doing on the program is, so it's good while I'm talking, you guys are seeing what I've won. So the first breakdown on the program will be that we're gonna introducing a cooking show on the program. Next on the program, yeah, we're gonna keep the same vibes, that outdoor cooking, but we're gonna keep it in sections. So you know that in summertime now, that's the time you're gonna be seeing a lot of outdoor cooking, a lot of adventure cooking, things like that. All right, the next section of the program, everybody, yeah, look out for a lot more vlogs and a lot more vlogging, and the vlogging will just be taking us into different places, different areas, maybe different countries as well, vlogging and showing you different areas, and also most importantly, the food. We'll be vlogging, traveling, eating, and just trying out different culinary dishes, people, yeah, and comparing the taste, people, yeah. A good vibes, big up yourself, you done now. Yeah man, 24-hour kitchen, we're there. Look at the snappers them. So what's happened now, yeah, we've scored the snapper, so we slice it there and we slice it there. 2 slices, yeah, not particularly sliced in any shape or form or in any part of the fish, but this allows the seasoning that we've added, which is coming. Big boy, big boy, big boy, big boy. Yes, if you haven't yet checked out and ordered your all-purpose seasoning mix, yeah man, wow, this one's almost completed, but yeah man, get your bottle, people, yeah, as soon as possible. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen, I mean, red snapper. Big. I want to show you the yellow yam. Wow, look. Yeah man, the yellow yam, you can tell the difference, the white yam, and you can see the yellow yam there. A good vibes, and look, you can see that I got the banana them hair boiling up in the skin said way, everybody, yeah? A good vibes. Alright, so let's turn the first snapper. Wow, look at that. Nice. I really do like the way the snapper them are fry up, because right now, look at this, it's nice and golden on one side. That part there where you can see that it's like a little bit dark, that's just the residue of the seasoning. You understand, people? But it's a really good vibe. The fish is frying up nicely, people, yeah? Yeah man, red snapper, as you can see, that got the oil on a nice slow heat right now. Sometimes when you see me cooking outside, people, you see me blazing up the fire because we're using wood fire, but today we're in the kitchen and we're just giving our fish them a nice slow fry. And then we've got some next ingredients here, the fresh ingredients them, which is the okra and, you understand, the pumpkin and things. So that, we're gonna take the fish out of the oil later on, and then we're gonna start off with the rest of the ingredients. Big up yourself, people, yeah, 24-hour kitchen. So you just stay tuned, yeah, and literally, we're gonna be completed before you know it, everybody, yeah? Our good vibes. I want you guys to give me the verdict of the finished result and let me know what you think, because we're gonna dress this fish and make it look really, really, really nice when we garnish it up with the rest of the vegetable, them, people, yeah? Big up yourself. Yes, people, yeah, me not tell no lie, I love fish bad, yeah. Red snapper, yellowtail snapper, rainbow snapper, butterfish, jackfish, doctor fish as well. Yeah man, there's a variation of fish that I really do like, but I really do like the red snapper as well. Red snapper is one of my favorite. That one there is like a bit softer in the texture, I think, anyway. You fry it up. I prefer this fish when it's fried down rather than when you steam it. You understand? The butterfish is a fish that I love when you steam it. Don't worry, we're gonna go through a whole variation, everybody. We're going into a new season. I've got so much new things, and I really do need all of you guys here to just stay tuned here, because there's an excitement going on right now. It may not seem like much, and the Ringo's not gassing it up and hyping it up. We just are taking slowly, traveling to the next season. You understand? Normally I'll be like, yeah, people going into a new season, but what I'll bring you guys into this new space that we're going to be going into. It's amazing. It's like it's going to be a next level, because it's the actual place where I can invite you guys to come down and come and cook, come and eat, come and try different things, you understand? And then actually most of all, I get to meet some of you guys in person as well. So yeah man, this new season that we're going into, yeah man, a lot of interactions with you guys. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen, yeah. It's amazing that you guys have been on this journey. We're almost 3 years in as well, like January, February, March, April coming, we're going to be solid 3 years. So I'm also orchestrating and organizing an event day, you understand, where you guys can come in again, and we're going to have an event day where, you understand, 24-hour kitchen food launch, something like that, you understand? But it has got happen, so look out for that as well, people, yeah, on the program. Big up yourself, good vibes. All 3 pots, look at that, everything are bubble up nicely. Green banana pot bubbling up, yam pot bubbling up, fish pot frying, and then we've got the ingredients and thing. You understand, people? Yeah, good vibes. So we're almost at that completion now. I think I'm going to give it about 3 more minutes, and then we'll actually be at that final completion, and then we're going to start on the vegetables. The banana and the yam is also almost at a completion as well. As you can see, that I've split the banana in the skin with a knife going around it, and when it opens up the way it's opened up like that, look, you can see that, yeah, the banana is almost cooked inside. It's better to cook the banana in the skin because you get a more longer duration of boiling without the banana being mashed out and breaking apart in the pot. It holds in the skin, and then you get it to that very that soft texture that you're looking for, almost like mashed potato, which is almost amazing. You can have like mashed green banana, which is the next nice vibes, people, yeah. Big up yourself, you don't know. Skin. Look at that, man. I added the next extra fish here, car. I thought, let me fry extra fish quickly, because you notice I did have quite a few fish. I didn't want to just do 2, so I have good vibes. All right, look, we're at that stage now, yeah. Ingredients, them have to go into the pan. Yes, man. Look at that. So we're gonna just put everything in the pan, everybody, yeah, one time, and just do a nice little fry up and soften these vegetables. Some's gonna be softer than some, because as you can see, that the pumpkin, and we've got the pumpkin inside, we've got the red onion, we've got the tomato. Yeah man, have good vibes. We've got the scallion, we've got the ginger. Good vibes going on right now, people, yeah. So this is the last process that we're going through right now. The garnishing process for the fish, people, yeah. Good vibes. Isn't it absolutely amazing when we reach to the stage that we've reached to when we're cooking? So I just turned on the kettle to get some boiling hot water from the kettle. But what I'm going to do in the meantime, everybody, yeah, man, I'm just going to add a little bit of the all-purpose seasoning mix. Yeah, man, have good vibes. And then I'm going to add some water from the kettle, everybody, and just make this one here go and fry up. And then, you understand, we're going to show you the next process, the next stage. We're almost at completion, and we're almost going to be sharing up the food, people. Yeah, good vibes. You know, so we can't let out the all-purpose seasoning mix, everybody, yeah? Our good vibes. Alright everyone, so I've just added some water from the kettle Now we're gonna make all the chopped vegetables, all the flavors just combined together with the all-purpose seasoning mix. Yeah, man, we're just gonna make this go and simmer down for a local time, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Yeah, man, let's just give this about 15 minutes to go and simmer down nice and slowly on this same level that it's on, everybody. Yeah, and then we're gonna add our final ingredients, people. Yeah, that we're gonna add to the sauce, which is our premium blend sweet chili sauce. Yeah, bang bang. All right, everybody, if you haven't seen this yet outside, make sure you try the bang bang sweet chili sauce. This one is a bang bang. I'm not gassing it, I'm not lying. It's gonna absolutely bring out that flavor out of everything, people, and just finalize that final kick that I'm looking for today, people. Yeah, yeah, man, a good vibes. 24-hour kitchen, people. Yeah, we're gonna be adding the bang bang premium blend sweet chili sauce today, people. Yeah, in a little while. Good vibes. Right, so our good vibes. So the stage that we're at right now, as you can see, that look, the okra, the tomato, the pumpkin, red peppers, green peppers. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Ginger's in the pot as well, some garlic's in the pot as well, scallions in the pot. So we're just making this go and simmer down, everybody. Yeah, yeah, man, our good vibes. And I think we're almost at completion right now. So in the next couple minutes, what I'm gonna do is just add our bang bang sweet chili sauce in here, and then we're just gonna make it simmer down for a little bit longer. We're not gonna add the fish in today. We're gonna do something a little bit different. Yeah, big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, our good vibes. That's it, everybody. So look, we've come to that grand finale. The sauce is completed. Good vibes.